Good morning to Sir Ritesh and all my friends. Today I want to present about my topic. I take a cluster one and I take a material handling. So what is material handling? Material handling is a vital part of any industrial or commercial activity comprising the movement, protection, storage, and management of materials and products throughout their life cycle inside a facility or supply chain. It is essential for increasing production, safety, and efficiency while lowering expenses and making the most use of available resources, whether at production facilities, distribution hubs, warehouses, or transportation networks. Efficient material handling guarantees the seamless movement of goods from procurement of raw materials to the ultimate delivery to client. So they have four types of material handling equipment. And the first one is forklift. So what is forklift? A forklift truck is an electric or gas-powered industrial piece of equipment with a front-mounted metal fork platform that can be used to lift heavy loads. Available in a range of size and configuration, including variants driven by diesel, propane, or electricity. Each appropriate for a particular application or environment. So the second type of material handling equipment is hand truck. So what is hand truck? A hand truck, sometimes referred to as a dolly or a two-wheeler, which is basic yet adaptable hand tool used for short distance transportation of heavy or large objects. Hand trucks are frequently used to transport heavy products like boxes, furniture, appliances, and other items in retail settings, houses, delivery service, and residential settings. So the third type of material handling equipment is conveyors. So a conveyor system is a fast and efficient mechanical handling apparatus for automatically transporting load and materials within an area. The conveyors lowers labor costs, increase productivity, and lessen the possibility of loss or damage during transit. So the third one of material handling equipment is cranes. So cranes are robust mechanical tools used in a variety of industrial, construction, and shipping environments to lower and move large loads both vertically and horizontally. Usually, they are made up hose mechanism, a horizontal boom or jib, and a towering vertical mast or tower. There are many different kinds of cranes, such as tower crane, gantry crane, overhead crane, and mobile crane is intended for a particular use and set of conditions.
All right, so this is the cluster two. We choose the type of cranes. The introduction is one of the most vital pieces of machinery in the construction sector is the crane. Large shipyard gantry cranes, drivable truck-mounted cranes, stationary tower cranes, and more example of contemporary construction cranes. Since every type of the crane has a unique style of operating, each construction crane is ideal for the task for which it's uh, intended. So for the first, crane were constructed by the um, by the Greek, who utilized them to construct massive temples, statues, and monuments like the Podium in Athens. Up to 20 tons, stone block could be lifted by ancient Greek cranes. Greek cranes design were refined by Roman engineers who lifted more than 60 tons with elaborate pulley system and big tread wheels. And by the Middle Age, cranes were used to build the giant iconic cathedral cathedral that became an iconic part of medieval ar- architecture. So, as a crane technology grew and the use of um, steam power became more widespread, they they contribute to the rapid growth of industry. Mm, in the 18th and 16th centuries. Today, there are huge variety of construction cranes used to build all kind of structure around the world. So the first type of crane is um, fixed crane. With the most impressive and recognizable construction cranes are tower cranes. The giant machine can often be seen in city, raising hundreds of feet in the air to construct huge skyscrapers. Most tower cranes have a cap mounted to a long horizontal boom, which rotates around the top of a large mast. Like other fixed crane, uh, tower tower cranes remain in the place while walking and are not designed to move. Other type of the fixed crane include jeep cranes and some gantry cranes. So jeep crane are similar to tower cranes with a horizontal boom that rotates at the top of a vertical mast in the fixed location. Jeep cranes are much smaller than the tower crane, but they can often be used to load and unload construction material at the construction site. So many shipyards use the large gantry cranes to construct ship and shipyard. Gantry crane consists of long boom that span between two support legs and one more one or more hoists that travel the leg leg of the booms. The support legs travel along the ground, which allows a large part and modulus to be taken from the dock and installed on ship that are under construction underwater. So this is, as you can see in the picture, this is the tower crane. The large one cannot move because don't have wheel. Okay, next 2.2, the mobile cranes. So this is the mobile cranes. There's a many type of mobile cranes that are also used in modern construction application, including truck-mounted cranes, railroad cranes, and aerial cranes. So the truck-mounted cranes come in a few variations such as off-road cranes and all-terrain cranes. Truck-mounted cranes drive on the large rubber tire and can be maneuvered around the work site through self-propulsion. So this kind of crane also require horizontal outriggers for stability when lifting, and unstable rigging can cause a catastrophic result. Okay. Um, some other type of mobile cranes do not require a trigger for stability, such as crawler style cranes are equipped with wide crawler track that make a crane both mobile and stable. Unlike truck-mounted cranes, crawler cranes cannot travel on the road and must be transported to work site by truck. However, all the terrain capabilities of the large crawler truck must make them extremely useful when construction sites are on soft off or um, uneven terrain. Yeah. So as you can see in the picture, figure 2, this is the crawler crane. Yeah. So this is 2.3 light duty cranes. So this is the explanation. Spanco PF series gantry cranes. Uh, there are also many construction services that require smaller, lighter duty cranes. Spanco freestanding jeep cranes can provide ideal permanent solution for construction maintenance needs. Spanco PF series gantry cranes are well suited for modular or vehicle construction application that require more maneuverability than a large construction cranes can provide. And lifting heavy construction material along at the height of a building is one of the most important steps in the construction. So the crane have been designed to fit the specific needs of every kind of construction project, from high-rise office building to modular home construction. Whether the job requires a skyscraping tower cranes, a light-duty mobile gantry cranes, or anything in between, there is a crane for every application. So for the conclusion is uh, all all type of crane are used by civil engineers when working on a project. Almost everyone has seen an industrial crane at some point in their life. Their machine are capable of transporting big pipes between location and carrying enormous loads and equipment. These are useful when constructing overpass, bridge, and building. So that's all from
Reason my part, which is basic hazard communication. The introduction for basic hazard communication is in any workplace or environment where hazard, chemical or material are present. Effective hazard communication is essential to ensure the safety and well-being of employee, visitor, and the surrounding community. Basic hazard communication refers to the systematic process of conveying information about chemical hazard and appropriate protective measures to individuals who may be exposed to them. This introduction will be outlined the fundamental principle of hazard communication, its important and key component. Then the key component of hazard communication, the first one is hazard identification. The first step in hazard communication is identifying and classifying the hazard associated with chemical or material present in the workplace. This involves assessing the physical health and the environmental hazard posed by each substance. Secondly, safety data sheet. SDS provide comprehensive information about the properties, hazard, safe handling procedure, and emergency response measure for each chemical. Employers are required to maintain SDS for all hazardous substances used in the workplace and make them readily accessible to employees. The second last is the labeling. Proper labeling of chemical container is essential for communicating hazard information effectively. Labels should include the identity of the substance, hazard warning, pictogram, and precautionary statement to alert individual to potential risk and necessary precaution. The last key component of hazard communication, which is employee training. Training is a core component of hazard communication, ensuring that employee understand that hazard associated with their work, know how to interpret SDS and labels, and are trained in safe handling practice and emergency procedure. The last part of my part, which is communication and awareness. Open communication and active participation are vital for effective hazard communication. Employers should foster a culture of safety, encourage reporting of hazard and near misses, and provide avenues for employees to ask questions and seek clarification about chemical hazard.
Okay, this is my part. Compulsory one. For the question, identify the duty of junior cargo officer before, during, and after cargo operation for dry cargo vessel. Okay, next slide. Before the cargo operation. First one, preparing cargo plan. Junior cargo officer is responsible for preparing cargo plan that include the placement and distribution of cargo on the vessel, taking into account weak distribution, stability, and ship draft limitation. Secondly, ensuring compliance, compliance with regulation. They need to ensure compliance with the relevant international regulation and guidelines. And nextly, coordinating with customer. Junior cargo officer may interface with customer, shipper, and agent to obtain necessary information. And lastly, before cargo operation, checking equipment and resource. They need to ensure that all necessary equipment and resources for loading and unloading operation are available and in good working condition. Okay. Nextly is during during cargo operation. Okay. During cargo operation. First one, monitoring cargo operation. Junior cargo officer oversee the loading and unloading operation to ensure compliance with the cargo plan and to safely rules and procedures. Secondly, supervising cargo handling personnel. They may supervise and coordinate the activity of stevedores and other cargo handling personnel, providing guidance and assistance with required. Thirdly, ensuring accurate documentation. Junior cargo officer have accurate record and documentation regarding cargo operation. And lastly, reporting any issue or incident. They are responsible for properly reporting an issue or incident occurred during cargo operation as damage to cargo or equipment spill of safety hazard. Okay. For lastly, after the cargo operation. Okay. The part last is after the cargo operation. Finalizing cargo documentation. Junior cargo officer need to ensure the all necessary cargo documentation, including cargo manifest, stowage plan, and cargo tally sheet, accurate, complete, and processed. Secondly, conducting cargo damage. They may participate in cargo damage assessment survey to identify and document any cargo damage that may have occurred during voyages. Thirdly, coordinating cargo discharge. Junior cargo officer may coordinate the timely and efficient discharge of cargo, ensuring that the cargo is unloaded in accordance with agreed procedure and schedule. And lastly, updating record and report. They update cargo record and report, maintaining accurate information regarding cargo operation and any incident or issue there during the voyage.
Is my part is compulsory too. Next slide, please. Okay. The introduction. A cargo storage plan outline how cargo will be loaded into a ship or aircraft to ensure safe transportation. That example is cargo storage plan, which include the a pre-storage plan is developed before loading begin, taking into account factors like cargo type, weight, size, and any special handling requirement. It details each item will be placed to optimal space, balance, and ratio, and ensure proper weight distribution for stability during transit. This plan is crucial for efficient loading, minimizing risks such as cargo shifting or overloading, and comply with safety regulation. Next slide. The key consideration in a storage plan for dangerous goods is number one is segregation, number two compatibility, number three accessibility, number four stability, and number five compliance. That this is important to the key consideration in a storage plan for dangerous goods. Segregation, ensuring incompatible hazardous material keeps spread to prevent reaction or contamination. Compatibility, storing hazardous material in appropriate container and location to prevent leakage or damage. Accessibility, ensuring emergency response team can access dangerous goods quickly in the case of an accident. Stability is distributing hazardous material evenly to maintain vessel stability and minimize the risk of capsizing. And number five is compliance, adherent to all IMDG requirements regarding labeling, packaging, documentation, and reporting. IMDG is like DG is the code. What the code? Wait. The full name IMDG is International Maritime Dangerous Good. Code is a detailed strategy for loading and arranging dangerous goods on a vessel in compliance with international regulation and safety standard. Next slide. Okay, that's all. Thank you to my team and to my partner. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and thank you for this for giving. Bye.